to yet another video as we get into these great opportunities today on Hump Day especially. Let's get into these great phenomenal opportunities with lucrative pay that I do have for you on today. Now, we will be going over tier level roles, which means we will have some jobs that do require a little more education and or experience, but we'll also be going over entry level roles that require less experience and less education for those of you who are trying to enter into the remote work from home career space and you may not bring a whole lot of experience. I have something on here for everybody. We are going to be going over multiple different opportunities within the financial field. There is something on here for everybody. So the very first company that we're going to start with is Citi, or you may have heard them as Citibank as well. They are a really big and premier Fortune 500 company. They're a financial institution that specializes in multiple different financial products. Some of the things that they do offer is loans, credit cards, and a slew of other financial products. So we're going to get into the very first role that I do have with Citi. This role is the correspondent account executive role, and it is, as you see, fully remote. You will be within their mortgage department, okay? Because they specialize in multiple different financial products, of course, mortgage loans is one of those different products. Here is the actual job ID for this role, and we're going to get more into the responsibilities and what you'll be doing on your day-to-day. You will serve as the key account manager. Based on a specific region that they do assign you, you'll be handling and reviewing different mortgage accounts based on that demographic area that they do provide you. You'll be identifying, developing, and maintaining accounts within a certain assigned type of market. You'll be proactively communicating on a daily basis with accounts to be able to generate and resolve issues on a daily basis. You'll also participate with the division sales managers to be able to support the development and implementation of account-specific strategies. You'll also do some diagnostic, really looking at data, really understanding it so that you can resolve individual issues and escalate loan transaction issues while collaborating with different teams like the client relation team, underwriting, management, and pre-purchase team. You'll also be doing some risk management and really appropriately assessing risk when making different business decisions. Now, this role, they are looking for 8 to 10 years of mortgage experience is preferred. So y'all know whenever they have this in a job description, because y'all know I put y'all on game, it means that it's a plus if you have it, but you do not need it. So when you see preferred, just know it's something that they would like you to have, but you don't need it to actually get the job, okay? They do want you to have some experience though, for sure, because you're going to need to know how mortgage products work, who they're for, how to mitigate risk for the mortgage products. You're also going to need to really be able to hone in on how they do approvals for it, how they do denials, all kinds of things. They're also looking for a comprehensive knowledge of the banking industry within the capital markets, credit or risk management. If you do have outside sales experience, that's also great. And also, if you do have relationship selling experience, being able to build relationships as you sell products, they definitely want to hear from you. They also just have here having really great communication skills, presentation skills, and really being able to provide really great communication when you are speaking and in written form. They also do have here just having experience working with non-delegated lenders, fulfilling the CRA requirements, and affordable lending requirements. Now, education-wise, they do have a bachelor's degree, okay, or equivalent experience. So that equivalent experience would be having some experience within the mortgage loan space, all right? Now, moving down, they just have some other information. You will be basically working from home, and the salary range for this job is $105,000 up to $158,000 annually. So it's a really great job, okay? Several of the reasons why I love to bring you guys even these type of jobs is you can see what the industries are paying, right? So as you're going into jobs, you're able to really hone in on, okay, what is the average salary? What are other jobs in this space paying? So when you go in, you can negotiate, okay? If y'all don't learn anything else from my videos, know that you want to negotiate based on your experience, based on the job that you're actually going to be doing. You want to negotiate your rate. You want to also negotiate any other benefits you can negotiate, like time off, right? Or more benefits when it comes to them maybe matching a 401k. You want to be able to really negotiate when it comes to these jobs, because there are a plethora of opportunities, and really understanding when a job is trying to underpay you versus a job that's quality and is trying to pay you your worth, okay? And sometimes you do have to just bring them up to that amount that you're looking for. So this is a really great opportunity, paying something really, really great for that good experience. Now, if you don't have that experience, of course, I have other roles that we will be going over shortly, so stay tuned for that. However, I did want to bring this to anyone who is in the mortgage space and you are looking to pivot within your career. Once again, if you're interested, this is the Correspondent Account Executive Citi Mortgage remote role, and here is the job ID. Hop on over and get applying if you are interested and you do definitely have that experience that they're looking for. Getting into the next role, these roles are going to be with a company called Lincoln Financial Group. They are a big major financial group as well. They specialize in financial products, and you might actually see them more so on the life insurance side and other financial services and products as well. So getting into the very first role that I do have with them, this specific role is their project management consultant role. Okay, it is a work from home remote role. You can be living literally anywhere within the United States, okay, and apply for this role. As you see here, remote work at home employees reside outside of the commutable distance to an office location. Okay, now here is the actual job ID for this role. And then as we get down into more of kind of what you will be doing, you will consult, analyze, and deliver more complex project initiatives, okay, through execution of consulting services. All right, some of those things you'll be doing is project management, business analyst, and you'll also do some relationship management. You'll also be very focused on business planning, requirements, communication, and change management within their corporate financial accounting. You'll be analyzing and verifying requirements for different standards. You'll also be evaluating business processes and really perfecting them to make sure that they're really well on the corporate finance and accounting side of things. You'll be leveraging your knowledge of the project plan to ensure that it is accurate, up to date, and it does have authorized change implemented, okay? You'll also be collaborating with different teams on different levels, so keep that in mind. This specific role is requiring 3 to 5 plus years in project management and business analysts that directly align with specific responsibilities for this position, all right? If you don't have this experience or the education, do not worry. Y'all know I have other jobs that we will be going over, and I do have more entry-level roles, but I do get a lot of questions on this channel about project management roles, so I did want to bring that to you. Now, I do want to also tell you guys, if you're looking for something specifically, hit me up in the comments and let me know. That way I can definitely introduce more jobs based on what you're looking for in these videos. I am here to help you guys land your next remote lucrative opportunity and any ones that come after that. So definitely feel free to talk to me in the comments. I do talk back. I do love you guys. So make sure you definitely hit me up and let me know your needs. As always, make sure you're also checking out any previous videos or YouTube shorts that have posted within the week that you are watching this video, as those videos will have additional roles that may also align with you a little better and may assist you on your job journey, and get on them as always and apply. So I just want to give that reminder to always make sure you're checking out my previous videos as well to ensure that you're getting all the job leads you can get on a weekly basis. In addition to that, if you are just a lurker and you have not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you officially become a part of the family by subscribing to the channel, clicking that bell notification on, and clicking all so you can can be notified each and every time I do release new videos with brand new roles. I do release new videos on a weekly basis. So I want to make sure that you do get that notification as soon as I release new videos, and you don't miss out on any great opportunities and roles that will really help you guys align with a better career path, give you the money that you're looking for, and of course, you'll be able to do it in your living room, in the comfort of your home, or wherever you want to do it. Even on vacation, right? We are here to help you guys be able to create the life and get the coins that you deserve, okay? So definitely make sure you are locked in. If you are entry level and you're looking for something, you're brand new to either the remote space or even the career market by itself, definitely feel free and make sure you grab the free bonus that I do have for you guys down in the description box and the pinned comment, which is my remote pathways job title list. It really does give you guys specific job titles that are targeted towards entry-level workers who are coming into the remote workspace. It helps you really be able to identify the jobs that will be very great fit for you, and really helps you eliminate a lot of different jobs that you may be looking at that may require a lot more experience and that are just not great for entry-level people. So I've helped you guys by putting a list of job titles together that will help you be able to stop wasting a lot of time going through all of these different jobs and really being able to hone in specifically on the jobs that are specifically targeted towards entry-level workers. So make sure you get your free copy of that down in the description box. Now, getting back into more of what they are requiring for this role, they do have here 4-year bachelor's degree or equivalent work experience. So you don't necessarily need the bachelor's degree in order to get the job. If you do have at least 4 years of experience, even 3 to 4 years of experience, they will definitely look at you for this job. They really want to see that you've had the experience and you kind of know what you're doing. That's what they more so definitely want to highlight. Some of the other things that they have here is just being able to be very innovative, building really strong relationships, and having really great project management skills, being able to balance multiple projects in a time-sensitive environment, and being able to meet deadlines, and also having strong partnerships with the business department and IT. They also want to make sure that you can collaborate with other peers on multiple different levels, like senior management, regular peers, and colleagues. So definitely keep that in mind. You will be mixing and mingling within this role. What I do like about them is they do give really great benefits and a really great pay as well. So some of the things that you will get benefit-wise is they do have here that you will have a clearly defined career framework to help you successfully manage your career. So when you come in, they will sit down with you and give you a framework of kind of like where you want to be so you can continue to move across and up that ladder. They do have leadership development and virtual training opportunities. You will get the paid time off and paid parental leave. They do have a competitive 401k and employee benefits like your medical, your dental, your vision. You'll get the counseling, the health coaching, the employee assistant programs, tuition reimbursement, of course, you being able to work from home or have a flexible hybrid going in the office if you like going in the office a little bit more. And then they do also set you up for success with effective productivity and technology tools and training. Now, this actual role is paying anywhere between $65,000 up to $118,000 annually, okay? Now, it is a pretty big range, but once again, it is dependent upon your education, your experience, the things that you've done previously in other roles, and all of those kinds of things. So keep that in mind. As you already know, negotiate your worth, negotiate your rate. When you go in, if you have that experience, you want to speak to that confidently, and you put your number on what you want, all right, in a very professional manner. And also, let me say this, don't be afraid to give out a number that you're currently making that you might not be making, right? So if you're making 95, I'm currently making 105, right? I'm currently making 110. So I would definitely need a bump up to 115 in order for me to be able to take this position, all right? Don't be afraid to really give them the number that you're looking for, okay? Like, hi, I do have the background, I do have the experience. My asking amount is $115K annually. And I would also like the benefit of additional 1% of a company match for the 401k as well each and every year. Literally, you can definitely get it. As I always tell everybody, coming from human resources, I can tell you now, the budgeted amount that you see on these job descriptions are not the actual amount that they budget, okay? They always budget more. So you always want to get yourself up the ladder when it comes to negotiating your rate so that you can get that higher salary, because they might, like this one ends at 118, but they may have budgeted 150 for that actual role, right? So you want to make sure that you're always on a higher end tier of the roles, all right? Now, once again, if you're interested, this one is the project management consulting role. Definitely get over and apply as soon as possible. You don't want to miss out on this great opportunity. The next one that we do have is the people analytics consultant role. This is more of a human resource role, getting down into more of the logistics. As you can see, it is a work from home job, okay, fully remote. Here is the job ID for this role. And then getting down into what you will be doing on a daily basis. You'll be consulting HR leaders and business leaders to identify and understand trends and create powerful data visualizations to help tell stories, okay? You'll be participating in presentations, business meetings, and analytical discussions. You'll be sharing insights. You'll be gathering business requirements. You'll also be developing initiatives, providing insightful information. You'll engage with clients to help them with self-serve content for people analytics insights. You'll also be doing some refreshing of processes and validating information. Some of the things that they are looking for this role is having a 4-year degree or an equivalent work experience. So if you do not have 4 years of a bachelor's degree, or you don't have a degree at all, as long as you are walking in the door with 4 years of experience, preferably in a human resource or analytical role, or even if you had to do anything like risk management, they want to show that you do have a skill set of paying attention to detail. So that can be a lot of different things. It could be quality assurance. It could be risk management. It could be investigation. Whatever it is, you want to highlight those things to show that you are very analytical and you do pay attention to detail. That is what they care about. All right. Now, they are also looking for 3 to 5 years of experience in an analytical role that aligns directly with the responsibilities of this specific role. So that goes into what I just said. They are definitely looking for you to have that attention to detail and for you to be able to really take data and be able to put it in a visual sense, like into a bar graph or charts, so that people can understand the data a lot better. Now, nice to have, these are a plus if you do have them, but it's not a requirement. If you do have experience with people analytics, okay, if you do have experience with success factors, if you do have experience with creating information and putting information in a visual way, like using bar graphs, visualization techniques, and different charts, that's a plus. If you're great at translating information really well, that's also something that they are looking for. If you do have experience with explaining analytical processes, they are looking for you. They also want to make sure that you have advanced proficiencies within Excel and PowerPoint, because you will have to put together those graphs and take data and put it in different cells and create bar graphs and all of that. They want to make sure that you can do those things in Excel and PowerPoint. So getting down into the benefits for this role, you'll get, of course, that career framework, the leadership development, the PTO, the 401k, and employee benefits like the medical, the dental, the vision, the employee assistant programs, tuition reimbursement and assistance, okay? And you'll also be eligible for their productivity and technology tools and training. This is also paying $65,000 up to $118,000 annually, which is very, very good for this specific job. That is more of a analytical role. It will be definitely working more with like the human resource department, really looking at the data, how long people stay, what kind of benefits they want, those kinds of things. And basically really understanding people's habits, right? Working and personal habits. All right. So this is a phenomenal job. If you're interested, definitely get over. Once again, this is the people analytics consultant role with Lincoln Financial Group. group. Now, getting over into the very next role, these roles are with a credit union by the name of Thrivent, okay? They are a big up-and-coming financial credit union that's similar to a bank, but of course, credit unions work definitely with people better and provide a lot more products that benefit their members. So it's just a different philosophy, but they definitely are a great up-and-coming credit union. And I wanted to bring you guys these roles for anyone who's looking for something more entry level. You might not have a whole lot of experience. I got y'all. So the very first role that I do have with Thrivent is their associate customer care professional credit union role, okay? It is fully remote in the United States, no matter where you're sitting. As we get down into more of the day-to-day, okay? And as you see here, I love when they put this on job descriptions, just to let you guys know they are open to candidates working remotely anywhere across the United States, all right? It does have here that this position serves as an entry point to the bank call center for caller inquiries. So you are going to be a very first point of contact. Your job is very important, right? You'll be reviewing inquiries. You'll also be reviewing any complaints that come in via telephone, okay? So some of the nitty gritty, getting down into the details of what you'll be doing. You'll be handling sensitive telephone communications. You'll be managing member accounts in a prompt, efficient manner. You'll also be opening new accounts for new and existing members. You'll also proactively seek opportunity to identify where service and products may be great for members. You'll be educating callers on the benefits and features of the services that the credit union does provide. And you'll be responsible for keeping current on product offerings, new marketing pieces, and changes to policies and procedures. Another thing you will be doing is processing financial transactions accurately and effectively. Now, this role is asking that you do have a high school diploma. That is a must. If you do have a college degree, it's a plus, but you do not need it to apply for this job. The next job as well does not require any of that, so definitely hang on until the next one, and then you can see which one is a better fit for you or apply for both of them. But once again, this does require the high school diploma as a education requirement, and then they do have 1 to 3 years of prior customer or financial service industry experience is needed, okay? So if you do have customer service, and as I always say, pull from your background, you have helped in customer service in some way, whether that's going to a friend's event and standing behind their table and talking to people as they come up, whatever you can pull from. If you worked in a daycare center, you have customer experience. If you have worked behind a counter helping people, anything really nowadays can definitely be pulled from your experience, your life experience, and you can put it on a resume. And while I'm talking about that as well, definitely give me a fire emoji down in the comments if you guys think resume templates and going through them with the different job descriptions would help you guys further in the long run be able to update resumes and or provide you guys with the resume templates for these jobs. If you do think that's beneficial, all I'm asking you to do is definitely give me a fire emoji down in the comments so I can definitely help you guys with that as well. I am trying to help you guys with as many resources as I possibly can so you can land the job of your dreams and get the pay that you want. So anyway, I can help you with that. From my insider knowledge of being in human resources, I want to be able to do that for you. So definitely help me help you and let me know what you guys need and if the resume templates would be beneficial for you down in the comments. All right. Now, they are asking for sales experience as well, and that is, of course, a plus if you do have it. Other critical factors that they have here is being proficient within being able to maneuver a PC, having excellent interpersonal skills, being able to communicate really well written and verbally. If you're able to thrive in a fast-paced environment, that's also great, and also being able to work on a team and collaborate. They are looking for you. Once again, this position is a full-time remote opportunity. If you do live within this area, you will have access to one of have their corporate offices if you prefer, but it's totally up to you. Okay. So it is fully remote, you guys, fully remote. You could be sitting anywhere. That is one of the reasons why I do love Thrivent. And if you're interested in this role, definitely get over and apply. Once again, this is the Associate Customer Care Professional Credit Union remote role with Thrivent. Now, getting over into the next role, this is the Associate Customer Care Professional Life Insurance remote role with Thrivent. It is fully remote. And then some of the things that you will be doing is you will definitely be assisting callers as they call in with any questions on life insurance products and services. Some of the things you will be talking about are annuities, health insurance, life insurance, mutual funds, and so many other things. And basically, you will be providing them with any answers to the questions that they do have about these different financial products. The starting base pay is $23.46 per hour for this specific role. But of course, if you do have prior experience within a call center space, that amount is going to be higher. But for my entry level people, that's around about what you're looking to get, which is a really great role for it to be fully work from home and for you to be starting off in a career, getting that training and being able to go somewhere else. That's a really great starting pay. Now, they do have here that you will be in a 4 to 6 week structured training, and you'll be learning about the products and programs that you will support when you are answering the phone. After training has completed, you'll be added to their career progression program, which includes the ability to increase your hourly wage every quarter in the very first year by meeting established milestones. That also means an extra $2,000 in salary increase within your first year. Okay. So definitely, if you are entry level, you're going to be looking at more so of a almost $51,000 annual pay, not the $48,000. You'll be about $51,000 annually if you are looking for something to start entry level. I'm telling y'all, get over very quickly. Some of the other things they do provide is opportunities across the organization and different departments. And they also do want you to answer the phone and be yourself, right? There's no scripts. You be yourself. You just answer, you assist the different customers with their issues and get their calls resolved. Some of the benefits that you will get is the medical division, the dental, the 401k with the company match up to 6%, and a pension plan. Now, I'm going to just say this. The 6% is already very good because a lot of companies only match you up to 3 or 4%. So 6% is really, really great for one. In addition to that, you also do have an option for their pension plan. And let me just say, a lot of companies are trying to do away with pension plans, and they are one of the best retirement investment products, you guys. So definitely, this is a great opportunity with really great benefits, and I want you guys to hop on it as soon as you see this video, okay? They also do give you 4 weeks of PTO, 12 paid holidays. You get up to 20 hours of volunteer time off from work that you will be paid for. You also do get a corporate gift matching up to 3 to 1 wherever you want to donate. They will also donate, which is phenomenal. This is really a great job, okay? And a great company. No nights and no weekends will you ever have to work, and there is much more. The qualifications that they have for this role is a high school diploma or equivalent experience. If you do have post-secondary education, that is a plus, but you do not need it. If you do have prior experience in a financial services or insurance background, that is a plus, but you do not need it for this role. They also want to make sure you have experience navigating complex customer interactions, right, as they call. If you've handled complaints or irate callers, they're looking for you. If you do also welcome change and being able to contribute to continuous improvement, that is great. If you are bilingual and you do speak English and Spanish, that is a plus. And being able to train and work during 8 a.m. to 4:30 Central Standard Time, Monday through Friday for the training duration. And then your actual work schedule will be a full-time schedule between 9:30 a.m. and 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, Monday through Friday. So keep that in mind when applying for this role. This is a really great role. Definitely, if you're interested, get over and apply for this role as soon as possible. This one, once again, is is the Associate Customer Care Professional in the Life Insurance Department, and it is fully remote with Thrivent Credit Union. If you love this video, definitely give me a thumbs up. That lets me know that these kind of videos definitely help you guys. In addition to that, make sure that you are definitely subscribed to the channel and you're a part of this family here on YouTube. And don't forget to click that notification bell and click all so you can be notified each and every time I drop brand new videos with brand new job opportunities and leads. In addition to that, if you are entry level, definitely also make sure you get the free resource that I do have for you down in the description box, as well as the pinned comment, which is my remote pathways job title list that provides you guys with a targeted list of job titles specifically for entry level workers that will help you hone in onto what jobs are best fit for entry level workers and that are targeted towards entry level workers, so you don't waste time looking at jobs that are overqualifying or do not and are not looking for your skill set. So if you are entry level, I definitely wanted to help you guys land the job of your dreams by making sure that you have the tool that you need to be able to really hone in on those jobs that are speaking to you and targeted specifically for you as an entry level worker. So make sure you get your free copy down in the description or the pinned comments. Hit me up as well in the comments and let me know what you're looking for. Make sure you drop that fire emoji if you do think resume templates would assist you on your career journey. And I will see you guys in the very next one. Make sure you continue to thrive and you continue to reach for those career goals. Until next time, bye.